Jonathan Antoine's rise to fame is one of the most memorable stories to emerge from Britain's Got Talent. In 2012, a shy teenager with an extraordinary operatic voice stunned both judges and audiences, instantly becoming a national talking point. Performing alongside Charlotte, he formed a classical duo that quickly gained admiration and commercial success. Their journey, however, extended far beyond a single audition. It became a story of rapid fame, personal growth, and diverging paths. This rewritten account explores their early beginnings, breakthrough moment, success as a duo, eventual split, and the very different directions their lives and careers took afterward. Early life and musical gift. Jonathan Antoine was born in Essex, England in 1995, growing up in a supportive family environment with his parents and older sister. From a young age, he displayed a deep love for music, often singing around the house without formal training. His father worked in law enforcement while his mother focused on raising the children, creating a stable upbringing. Despite his natural talent, Jonathan was a quiet and introverted child who struggled with confidence. Music became his escape and emotional outlet. Over time, his family recognized his extraordinary vocal ability and encouraged him to pursue singing more seriously. First, Britain's Got Talent audition. In 2012, Jonathan auditioned for Britain's Got Talent alongside his school friend, Charlotte Giaconelli. Both were students at West Hatch High School in Essex and performed as a classical duo. Their rendition of The Prayer immediately captivated the audience and judges, showcasing Jonathan's powerful operatic voice and Charlotte's supportive harmonies. The performance received a standing ovation and was widely praised as one of the most emotional auditions of the season. Judge Simon Cowell even suggested Jonathan might excel as a solo performer. Despite this, the pair chose to continue together, advancing through the competition with growing public support. Rise as a duo and early success. Following their successful audition, Jonathan and Charlotte quickly became fan favorites on the show. Week after week, they delivered strong performances that highlighted their classical style and emotional connection on stage. Their chemistry as a duo helped them stand out in a competition filled with diverse talent. They eventually reached the grand finale and finished in second place, gaining national recognition. The exposure led to widespread media attention and professional opportunities. Soon after the show ended, they were offered a significant recording contract, marking the beginning of their professional music career beyond television. Record deal and touring. Years after Britain's Got Talent, Jonathan and Charlotte signed a major recording deal and released their debut album, Together, in 2012. The album featured classical interpretations of popular songs and received strong commercial success. Their performances introduced classical crossover music to a broader audience, leading to tours across the United Kingdom and parts of Europe. They appeared on television programs, interviews, and live events, building a loyal fan base. The duo's visibility continued to grow, and their second album further solidified their reputation. For a time, they were regarded as one of the most promising classical acts in the industry. Decision to split professionally. In early 2014, Jonathan and Charlotte announced their decision to pursue solo careers, ending their partnership as a duo. The announcement surprised many fans, although it was made amicable and respectful. Both artists expressed gratitude for their shared journey and success. Around the same time, individual recording opportunities emerged, encouraging them to explore different musical directions. Jonathan leaned toward classical solo work, while Charlotte began transitioning toward musical theater. Their split was not due to conflict, but rather artistic growth and personal ambition. Although emotional for fans, it marked a natural turning point in both of their evolving careers. Jonathan Antoine's solo career begins. Jonathan's solo career launched successfully with the release of his debut album Tenor in 2014, which topped classical music charts in the UK. His powerful voice and emotional delivery earned praise from critics and listeners alike. He followed up with tours and continued recording new material, establishing himself as a respected classical tenor. Despite his success, Jonathan maintained a relatively private lifestyle, often avoiding media attention. He focused heavily on his vocal development and artistic direction. Over time, his performances reflected increased confidence, although he remained more reserved compared to many mainstream artists in the industry. Charlotte's path into musical theater. Charlotte Giaconelli pursued a different direction after the duo split, shifting her focus toward musical theater. She appeared in stage productions such as Carousel in Concert, and later joined the West End cast of Heathers. Her transition allowed her to explore acting alongside singing, expanding her artistic range. In addition to theater work, she built a strong presence on social media, sharing insights into her career and humorous reflections on her Britain's Got Talent experience. Her personality online became more relaxed and engaging, helping her maintain a connection with fans while developing a sustainable career in performance arts. Signs of pressure and personal struggles. As Jonathan's solo career progressed, subtle changes in his public presence began to emerge. While his vocal ability remained strong, he appeared increasingly reserved during interviews and public appearances. Some observers noted his physical and emotional fatigue, along with reduced engagement in media interactions. Jonathan later acknowledged struggles with confidence, motivation, and emotional balance. He spoke openly about using food as comfort during stressful periods and the challenges of living under public expectation. These admissions provided insight into the pressures he faced while navigating fame at a young age, revealing a more vulnerable side to his journey. Public perception and later career. Over time, Jonathan's appearances became less frequent, although he continued to perform and release music. His work remained rooted in classical and crossover genres, maintaining a dedicated fanbase. Charlotte, meanwhile, continued to thrive in theater and online platforms, embracing a more public-facing career. Despite their separate paths, both maintained mutual respect for their shared history. Occasional messages and comments reflected appreciation for their time as a duo. While discussions of a reunion occasionally surfaced among fans, both artists appeared focused on their individual careers, each finding stability and identity within their chosen artistic directions. Outro. Jonathan Antoine and Charlotte Giaconelli's journey began with a single audition that captured national attention and evolved into a story of fame, growth, and transformation. Their success as a duo brought them recognition and opportunity, but their individual paths ultimately defined their long-term careers. Jonathan continued in classical music with emotional depth and resilience, while Charlotte embraced the versatility of musical theater and performance. Though their partnership ended early, their impact remains significant in Britain's Got Talent history. Their story reflects how talent, timing, and personal choice can shape two very different but equally meaningful artistic lives.